The Vice President who spoke on the occasion said that Somaliland strongly believes in the fight against the disease and each year has been commemorating the International AIDS Day.
It is a great honor to attend the commemoration of the World AIDS Day. This annual event is important because we get to remember the victims of AIDS and how to reduce it and how to educate people about it. People should know that this is just a disease, just like any other. We all know that tuberculosis was a disease that was very strange to us 10 years ago. Everyone has accepted now that it is a disease like any other and people are taking their drugs. We are glad that education among the public is increasing.
World AIDS Day, designated on 1st of December every year since 1988, is an international day dedicated to raising awareness of the AIDS pandemic caused by the spread of HIV infection and mourning those who have died of the disease. The Vice President of the Republic of Somaliland, Abdirhman Zayli'i, said the government will work with international organizations in reducing the disease. Communities of people living with and affected by HIV, along with peer educators, counselors, community health workers, door-to-door service providers, civil society organizations, and grassroots activists are leading and campaigning to end the AIDS response remains relevant. They are fighting to keep people at the center of decision-making and program implementation and helps to ensure that no one is left behind. To recognize the role played by communities and community-led organizations, this year's World AIDS Day 2019 highlights the role of communities to the response. At a time when reduced funding is putting the sustainability of HIV services in jeopardy, community activism is vital. A greater mobilization of communities urgently needed, and the barriers that stop communities from delivering services need to be overcome. Today more than ever, communities are needed to ensure that HIV remains on the political agenda, that human rights are respected, protected and fulfilled, and that decision makers and implementers are held accountable. Yunus Dioku, CBA News, Hargeysa.